Welcome to a new episode of V Karma. Today I have a list of things to do. The first one is I need to get the front brakes on my Jaguar replaced. I replaced the back, but unfortunately they sent me the wrong front, so just received them in the mail today. Going to take the car there to get it replaced. After that, I'm going to wash my car. It's been raining in the Bay Area for the last week and the car looks horrible. So I'm gonna get a car wash, and then I'm gonna take the car over to a local body shop that I discovered and try to figure out how much does it cost to repaint the front of a Lamborghini Huracan LP 610 Spyder. Right now, the only goal here is just to get the rock chips out the car. There's no damage in the front. In the comment section below, let me know how much you think it's gonna cost to repaint the front area of a Lamborghini Huracan LP 610 Spyder, just to remove the rock chips. All right, come with me and let's find out. With the valves closed. It's fucking loud. So here are the correct brakes.
Yes, got it size.
All right, here's the key.
Okay.
All right, today?
Yeah.
All right, see you. So I just dropped off my car. Currently waiting for my lift. It should be here in about 3 minutes. After that, I'm gonna head home, pick up the Lamborghini, take the Lamborghini to the car wash. After taking the car to the car wash, I'm gonna take it to the body shop to see how much it's gonna cost to repaint the front of a Lamborghini Huracan. It's got to be the longest 3 minutes ever.
Hello.
Hello.
Ricardo?
Yes, Jamil.
Yeah. How are you?
Good.
All right. Nice.
Back at home, I'm heading to the garage. I'm going to take the Lamborghini. I'm going to get it washed. After I get it washed, I'm going to head to the body shop. And then I'm gonna get back to work because today is Wednesday. All right, here's the dirty mobile. Cold start. Lambo is definitely daily driven. Just a couple things. If you have a nice car, never ever use this brush at a car wash. This will destroy your paint. This will put scratches in it. You have no idea where this has been. Don't use this at a car wash. So basically what I do is I completely spray the whole car down with just soap and water, and I use my own towel to actually wipe the car if I want to get a little bit deeper clean. All right. don't know if you guys can see, but this is the quality of the front of the car right now. There are micro scratches and rock chips and bumps, and just wasn't well taken care of. I'm not sure if you can see, but this all needs to be really repainted. This whole front is done. All right, time to head to the appointment to see how much it's actually going to cost to fix this atrocity of a Lamborghini front. Whoever was the previous owner really did not give two shits about keeping his car looking good. So fender, hood, bumper.
And then you can do a clear bra on top of that, right?
Correct.
Okay, good. It's going to be under 10 grand, 10 grand, 10 grand, 10 grand. There's a lot of stripping I have to do because some places what they'll do is they can charge less. What they'll do is they primer over the chips and then they sand it down. The problem is, primer, if you have little chips, if you're looking at the side, little chips that go down, if you fill them with primer, it looks good now. But primer is not as dense as paint.
Right.
So over time, the divots, will slightly come back in certain areas. And then what other people do is they'll try and put putty over it. Or they'll put filler on it.
Like Bondo.
Yeah, and there's nothing wrong with filler in itself, but then you have two dissimilar materials. You have paint, and then you have the filler in those chips. And on a black car, it's more critical because it absorbs more heat and the solids evaporate more.
So what is like the correct process?
What we would do is we have to strip these panels. I mean, not all the way down to bare metal, but we want to get down to where the chips, the paint is level with the chips, and then we build it back up. When you work on a Lambo and you're doing stuff like this, then it's a black car. So it's a Lambo and it's a black car. So you can't take, in theory, let me go back. In theory, to paint the fender on the Lambo should be no different than painting the fender on a Honda. In theory.
In theory, yeah.
And that would be in a lab environment. Laying the paint on the two is essentially the same. But it's all the preparation beforehand. It's all the work afterwards. It's the assembly, the disassembly. It's the difference between somebody telling you that I want you to go running with this bowl, and it's a 300-year-old bowl that's worth $1 million versus something that just came from Costco that you could replace for 20. Which would you run faster with?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So. I get it. All right. How long would you think the job would take? A week? 2 weeks?
No, it's going to be 2 to 3 weeks. It might be it'll be under 3 weeks, but more than 2 because I have the disassembly and I have the prepping. Then I have the painting, color sanding, polishing, the reassembly, and then in between all that is all the stress.
Hi guys, so I just got finished talking to the owner, Walter. So the actual cost to paint the front end of this Lamborghini Huracan, just to remove the rock chips, is $10,000. $10,000. Do you guys think it's worth $10,000 to make this front of this car look perfect for some rock chips? Guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Anyways, that's the end of this vlog. I would have liked to film more, but unfortunately my battery's at 1%. So one thing I realized about vlogging is always keep an extra battery. That was an eye-opening experience. I'm not sure if I'm gonna actually fix the front now. Maybe I'll just try to wrap it and see how bad the wrap looks on top of it. And then from there, I can make an assessment. If the wrap looks too bad on top of it, then maybe I go ahead and actually fix the front. But first, I think let's try with the wrap and see if it actually shows the imperfections of the rock chips. If not, then we're good, and I just saved myself $10,000. Anyways, that's the end of this vlog. I'm about to head home, need to get back to work. So remember to subscribe, like, and I'll see you next time.
Fade away.